Kate.
Hi.
Hey, listen, we're going to be having this masterclass for speakers and authors, and it's going to be super cool because we're doing it way different this year.
Yeah, we definitely are. So if you've ever been to a Social Jack event, a Social Jack workshop, you know that they're one of a kind. And this time, what we're going to do a little bit different is we're going to give you a lot of the work up front. So if you want to be a speaker, if you want to get speaking gigs, you're going to get your bio and your LinkedIn bio already written for you, including an optimized headline. You're going to get a brand new headshot taken
When
just
you get
for
here.
you.
Yeah, when you get here.
Absolutely.
Yep.
So plus you're going to get all that our workshop has to offer. You're going to work through the influencer development steps that so many influencers have done before you, and we're really going to get you on the fast track to getting those speaking gigs.
And then when you're done, we're going to book you on a couple podcasts to get you started. And you're going to meet a lot of cool people.
Yeah.
But we can only have 50 people, and this video is the release of ticket sales right now. So get your tickets.
Yeah, get your tickets now. It's happening May 30th here in Chicago, and we'd love to see you there.
All right, we'll see you there.